Are you tired of your straight hair and dream of having bouncy curls? Well, today is your lucky day because we're about to unleash the secrets on how to transform your straight locks into stunning curls. Hey there, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel Bold and the Beautiful, where we're all about embracing our unique hair journeys. Today, we're going to tackle a question that many of you have been asking: how can I get curly hair if I have straight hair? If you've been longing for those luscious curls, stick around because we've got some amazing tips and tricks to share with you. Let's kick things off by exploring one of the most effective methods: heat styling. If you're looking for temporary curls, grab your trusty curling iron or wand and get ready for a hair transformation. But before you dive in, it's crucial to protect your hair from heat damage. Apply a heat protectant spray to shield your strands from high temperatures and ensure a safe styling process. Now, here's a little twist for you. Did you know that you can achieve curly hair even without heat? Yes, it's possible. One popular method is using overnight curling techniques. Let's learn how. Start with slightly damp hair, apply a curl-enhancing product, and divide your hair into sections. Then, twist or braid each section and secure them in place before going to bed. In the morning, unravel those twists and voila! Gorgeous, heat-free curls. But wait, there's more. How about trying some natural remedies to encourage your straight hair to embrace its curly potential? Yes, you heard it right, Mother Nature has some tricks up her sleeve. One natural ingredient that can work wonders for your hair is aloe vera. Its moisturizing and conditioning properties can help define your curls. Simply apply fresh aloe vera gel or aloe vera-based products to your hair and scrunch them gently to enhance those natural curls. Now, let's address a common concern: how can I get curly hair if I have naturally straight hair? Well, fear not, because there's a long-lasting solution known as a curly hair treatment. Curly hair treatments, such as a perm or a texturizing treatment, can help you achieve those coveted curls that last for months. Consult a professional stylist to determine which treatment is best suited for your hair type and desired results. But hold on tight, because we're not done yet. How about embracing your natural curls through styling techniques? That's right, we're talking about the art of plopping. Plopping involves using a cotton t-shirt or a microfiber towel to wrap your wet hair, allowing it to dry in a way that enhances your natural curl pattern. This technique can work wonders, especially if you already have some natural waves or curls hiding in your straight hair. To sum it all up, there are various ways to achieve those dreamy curls, even if you have straight hair. From heat styling to natural remedies and professional treatments, the options are endless. Remember to embrace your unique hair texture and experiment with different techniques until you find the one that makes you feel like a curly-haired goddess. That's all for today's video. We hope you found these tips helpful and feel inspired to embark on your curly hair journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more hair care content. Until next time, embrace your curls and stay fabulous.